On stage, Yusek Sabrina Rodolfo. To help us out is also Deputy Executive Director Maria Lourdes Mediran. And of course, Miss Weng joining us here. So tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we want to recognize the trade partners that have made IFEX 2024 possible. So we invite the partners on stage to be recognized. Starting with the Philippine Exporters Confederation Incorporated, or PhilExport. A big round of applause, please. We also have Department of Agriculture, Agribusiness and Marketing Assistance Service. A big round of applause, please. Congratulations as well to Philippine Food Processors and Exporters Organization Incorporated. Congratulations to Integrated Food Manufacturers Association of the Philippines for productivity. Again, if you call out your name or your company, please come up the stage to be recognized. This is a time for you to be recognized, of course, by our team. Congratulations to the Philippine Food Processors and Exporters Organization Incorporated. A big round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. The Philippines for productivity. Congratulations to Halal